Hey folks, I'm out here at one of my favorite spots, just doing a quick little walk around on this 2019 KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. And you can see here we have some wonderful scenery out here and some really nice trails. Nothing too crazy. Anyway, just doing a quick walk around. I haven't done this since I got the bike in December of 2023 and bought the bike with 6,800 miles on it, and right now it just turned over to 8,000. So racking up a few miles, nothing too serious. Anyway, let's start with the bags. So I've got the Tuss bags on there and the pannier racks. These bags, panniers, can be removed by just pulling this cord here, which is a little weird. Not sure if I'm a big fan of that, but they are functional and they are the soft bags. Kind of moving around to the top here. This is a top box that I got off of eBay. It's, you know, it's kind of a cheapie, but I wanted the little bit lower profile. I do have the taller one, so this one, you know, is a little bit lower profile. Hopefully hangs in there when doing any off-roading and such. This is the KTM rack on the back here, so I was easily able to adapt the bracket for this onto the rack with 4 bolts. I do have the Yoshimura pipe on there. What is this thing? RS4? Yep. Yoshimura RS4. I've got the baffle out of it. I think it sounds pretty great. I will fire it up for you before I take off here. For the tires, I've got the Michelin Anarchy Wilds on there currently, and you know, for the street, I don't feel great with these. They are kind of flattening out because I do a lot of highway riding, so I'm just kind of waiting for you know, to see how well these things wear after X number of miles on the highway. Let's see, a couple other things here. I did put the Outback MotorTech upper crash bars on there, and these are very nice. I would definitely recommend these if you are thinking of putting the upper crash bars. They fit onto the stock KTM lower bars. I did want to put a folding brake pad here. This thing seems so close to the case here. I'm just afraid if I dump it, it's going to go right through the case, and it very well may. Well, it's the cover, you know, but hopefully we don't have any incidents with that. I did put on the KTM handguards, and I got some fancy orange wind protectors, handguards, whatever you want to call it. I did get the indestructible mirrors, and I got some locks for those. These are not the official Ram locks, but they're off of eBay and they work. I did have to get some different screws to make these work with the indestructible mirrors and the Ram mount. Up here we've got a GPS mount or camera mount, whatever you want to call it. I did get a anti-vibration mount for my phone that I've been using. KTM bag, tank bag. This came with the bike. Don't necessarily like it that much up in my face. You know, it's a tall bag, but it does hold a lot of stuff. So I guess I'll keep it unless I can find something better. Let's see. It does have risers on the bars, and that was on the bike when I got it. And this I believe to be the taller KTM windscreen. And down here you can see the Michelin Anarchy Wild front tire. And it does have the KTM skid plate on it. And then kind of going around here, I did put the Rottweiler, what do you call it? The delete kit on there for the air intake. I forget what it's called, but it is the Rottweiler kit. So it deleted a bunch of stuff up on top of the engine, and also the charcoal canister in the back. I can actually get a tool kit up under the seat there now where the charcoal canister was. Let's see. Trying to think of what else here. Actually I did put the heated grips on there, and these are factory KTM heated grips. You do have to get them programmed. And lastly, I got the KTM quick shifter programmed in there, and I really liked that on my BMW on the GS, and I had to have it on a KTM, and I am super glad that I did that. The shifting up and down without the clutch is smooth as butter, and it's pretty awesome. So this bike has a ton of power, probably more power than I'll ever need or be able to handle, but it's nice to have. So there you go, folks. There is the walk around of the 2019 KTM 1290 Super Adventure R, and today we are out in the wild. It's a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.